Ever wondered what makes a Japanese bonsai tree so captivating and unique? These miniature masterpieces are more than just plants. They're a fusion of tradition, artistry, and nature's resilience. Join us as we delve into the art of Japanese bonsai and explore its principles and plant selection. Japanese bonsai is more than just a plant. It's an art form that follows specific principles. Central to these principles is the concept of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. This aesthetic philosophy encourages us to appreciate the natural irregularities and aging process of the bonsai tree. Balance, too, is pivotal in bonsai. The tree, pot, and space must harmonize, creating a balanced composition that is pleasing to the eye. Lastly, scale is crucial. A bonsai tree should mimic the proportions of a full-size tree, giving the illusion of maturity and grandeur. These principles guide the shaping and maintenance of a bonsai tree, influencing every decision, from pruning to potting. By mastering these principles, one can create a bonsai tree that is not just a miniature tree, but a piece of living art. Choosing the right plant is crucial in the art of bonsai. When selecting, consider factors such as the plant's adaptability to your local climate, its size, leaf shape, and growth rate. Some plants are more suited to bonsai than others. Popular choices include the Japanese maple, known for its vibrant autumn colors, and the juniper, valued for its hardy nature and beautiful foliage. The ficus is also a favorite, thanks to its adaptability and striking root formations. Remember, the right plant choice can make or break your bonsai creation. So, we've learned about the principles of Japanese bonsai and the importance of plant selection. We've delved into the artistry of bonsai, its roots in Japanese culture, and the vital role of choosing the right plants. It's a journey of patience, creativity, and understanding nature's rhythm. Remember, each bonsai is unique, mirroring the artist's vision and the essence of the plant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights.